friends. I hope you're all having a good time at home with your families. We're going to do a little science experiment today. This is going to kind of show us how important it is for us to wash our hands. And, oh, can you see my kitty back there? He's my new cat. I'm going to show you how important it is to wash your hands. We're going to pretend that this pepper is the germs. I'm going to pour some pepper into a bowl of water. You can have your parents help you with this. I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see what's going to happen. After you have poured your pepper into the bowl of water, you're going to stick your finger in. And now remember that the pepper is supposed to be the germs. Let's see what happens if I stick my finger into this bowl. You see? The pepper sticks to it just like a germ does. Now, I'm going to stick my finger into the soap, like this. Now, what happens when we put our finger in? Wow, look at that. The germs disappear. And that, my friends, is why it's so important to use soap and wash your hands well. Stay clean, my friends.